Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a video that has a bit more of a broader appeal than the usual videos I make. We're going to be unboxing some pencils. So these pencils are made by Mitsubishi. I got these in Japan stationery market, which was in this strip mall or an underground mall connected to Namba Station in Osaka. And I saw these and just had to have them. So let's just take a look at the outer packaging here. As you can see, these are 12 HB pencils. They had some other varieties, but I thought the HB would be most versatile, although I do like the F pencil. As you can see, I spent 1,815 yen on these, but they should be worth every penny, I think. So let's open it up. Okay. So first off, we have these little pencil toppers here. So purpose of these, of course, is to prevent any severe injuries you might sustain if you're carrying around a sharp pencil. It's a very dangerous proposition. So that should keep you safe. Now let's see the actual pencils in here. Okay, so lovely green color on that outer sleeve. And a beautiful plastic case. And there's the actual pencil. Wow. That burgundy looks so nice with the gold lettering, the black tip. All right, so that is that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that unpackaging video. As always, subscribe, like, and patronize me in whatever way you can. Thank you. Goodbye.